If you feel lost right now, you are not alone. And maybe you don't need answers. Maybe you just need to go somewhere new. Cities move fast, schedules pile up, days start blending together. Sometimes it feels like you are moving, but not really going anywhere. That's usually when people travel, not to escape life, but to hear themselves again. A bus ride, a road trip, a flight with no rush. Movement creates space. When you arrive somewhere quieter, your thoughts slow down too. A forest doesn't ask who you are. A mountain doesn't care what you have achieved. Travel reminds you that you are allowed to just exist. Mountains take millions of years to form. Rivers don't know their destination, yet they always arrive. Being somewhere unfamiliar changes how you see yourself. Maybe feeling lost isn't failure. Maybe it's the beginning of a different journey. Travel doesn't give you answers, it gives you perspective. You don't need to have it all figured out. Sometimes, all you need is a new place, a slower pace, and a reminder that the world is bigger than your worries. This is the Earthway.